Lot of things keep happening in our life. Some are very good and some are not very good. Well, some things always remain close to our heart, and few we just feel like ignoring. I remember when I was traveling to Ooty, Kunur. It's a beautiful place you must explore. There were wonderful people and there were amazing lush green tea gardens. It was actually a beautiful sight, regenerating. In fact, you should also travel. But there were a lot of things that were happening around me, especially if I talk about the gossip, the negativity. There was a group of people who were discussing about politics. And I personally feel that there are few things which you need to ignore. So remember to ignore when you don't like certain things, because there are so many things in life which we just can't control. I couldn't check them, I couldn't say anything to those people. How can I? Isn't it? So I ignored. Even you must ignore the things which you just cannot control, which are beyond our control. But one thing we can always control and check is ourselves, isn't it? So check your own behavior, check your own words, and be in self discipline. It matters a lot. Take care and keep learning, keep spreading positivity and happiness wheresoever you are.